So I've been coming through and trying to hand pollinate the cucumbers just to be sure. I mean, I do have a lot of bees, but you can never be too sure. And I want a ton of cucumbers. Oh my god, that's a bee. Well, because I was just talking about hand pollinating my cucumbers, I figured I'd just show you really quickly how I do it. Here we go. So that's pretty much it. You just kind of take the male flower and you kind of smoosh it around the female flower. You'll know it's a female flower because it'll have a fruit on it. You'll see like a little baby cucumber. And you just take the flowers and kind of smoosh them together. So you can pop off that male flower and you'll know it's a male flower because it won't have any fruit on it. And it's really super easy like that. So I am currently dealing with some powdery mildew on the cucumber plant. A little bit of fluorosis it looks like as well, so maybe needs a little iron. But I did want to show you how the cucumber that I hand pollinated is coming along. Look at that. Look at that beaut. Nice and big. Growing strong, and the one right under it is doing the same. So if you are having some trouble with getting pollinators into your garden and things like that, you can hand pollinate. It works literally just the same way. Okay, thanks for watching.